Good morning, baby Nitro. Hey! Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Yes, you are, baby. Who's that baby? Who's the baby? You're a shy boy, mahihain, ano? Mabuhay, Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back dito sa isa pang Tuan the Vlog starring Pabibo. Yes, and Pabibe. Hello! Hello, Pabibe. Pabibeng Nitro. Guys, grabe, may kwento ko sa inyo sa vlog natin for today. So, di ba, plano namin lilipat na kami sa Australia. Na-stranded ako sa Australian Embassy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would...
Kasi, yung driver ko, pwede ako niyang ihatid, pero hindi ako pwedeng ibalik sa bahay. Nahatid niya ako papunta doon, pero pabalik, hindi. Kasi, may ibang service siya. At saka dahil ECQ nun, wala akong sasakyan pa uwi. So, naglakad lang ako mula Makati hanggang dito sa Ortigas. Sobrang sakit ng paa ko nun eh. Ang problema, nag-expire yung passport ko. Kaya pumunta ako doon para mag-renew ako ng passport. Pero nagka-problema din ako dahil hindi daw okay yung passport photos ko. So yan guys, I have to take some new passport photos and go back there. Ang arte, no? Ang arte, kailangan daw like perfect yung picture. Walang mali, ganon. Iba sa Australia, sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sian?
Sabihin mo kung anong kasakalan na DFA na Philippines yung pinuntahan mo.
Hindi, Australian Embassy yung pinuntahan ko. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, di ba, in your passport photo, you have to have color?
May camera na ata dun sa sa DFA.
Oo. Sa Australian Embassy, wala silang camera. We have to take our own photos and bring them there. So it's sobrang hassle. Yeah, akala ko first world country yung Australia, no? Bakit wala silang photographer doon sa embassy, no? Ngayon, nakabalik na tayo sa GCQ. So, pwede na ako mag-picture ulit. I can take some new passport photos at like a professional Photoshop. Kasi dito sa bahay, parang hindi ko masyadong alam kung paano mag-take ng professional picture. It doesn't matter, his clothes won't be in the frame. Okay, baby. Just don't put your hands on your face, baby, when we do this, okay? Alright, here we go. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, be careful. Be careful, huh? Hi, baby.
Kailangan muna ako mag-research pa. Kahit may professional camera na tayo, ang alam ko lang mag-video. Mag-shoot ng video. Palit ng lens, ganon. Change the settings for the video. But when it comes to taking photos, it's a different ball game. Yeah, so eto guys, nag-video ako nung naglakad ako.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey guys, naglakad ako galing Makati papunta dito sa EDSA Shaw Boulevard Crossing. Grabe. Oh, pagod na ako. As in. Oh, ayaw ko na. 1 oras at kalahati na ako naglalakad. Nako. Naglalakad ako dahil walang Grab, walang taxi. MECQ tayo ngayon. Diba? Walang public transport, walang MRT. Sarado na. Kaya naglalakad lang. Bumili ako ng Coke para may energy ako. Grabe. Lapit na tayo sa bahay. Ay, salamat. Ang init pa naman. Ilang tubig na yung inubos ko. Ay nako, pag dumating na ako sa bahay, ligo agad. Kasi grabe, mapawisan ako. Woo!
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk
is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Oh, the baby sneezed. The baby aching. Aching. Yes, you did a big aching. Didn't you, baby? You did a aching kasi you're a tabaching. Tabaching-ching. Yung gusto ni Nitro na nakalabas yung kamay niya. He doesn't like his kamay to be stuck to his side, di ba, baby? Yes, you're so maarte, no? Yeah, you're super maarte, aren't you? Yes, maarte kang baby.
You see him like this.
You're such a chubby baby, aren't ya? Yes, you are. Yes, you are, baby. You're a chubby baby. Yeah, the chubby baby. Yes. You're smiling at daddy, aren't ya? Yes, you are, baby. You're smiling at daddy.
Looking at the camera.
You're smiling at daddy. Oh, you say hello. 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 Having a baby is a lot of fun when he is not a newborn. Grabe nung newborn siya, iyak siya ng iyak. And then minsan lang siya nagsismile. Ngayon, nakalampas na siya ng 3 months. He's a lot more fun now. Aren't you, baby? He smiles a lot. He doesn't cry as much anymore. Diba, baby? Yes, you're a good little boy. Yes, you are. Okay, guys. So, bago natin tatapusin ang video na to, Nacho and I are gonna read out some shoutouts. So, ang isi-shoutout po natin ang mga top fans sa Facebook and then mga YouTube comments. So, where are our top fans? Ayan, eto! Lovely Jane Cadalso. You know, ang gwapo ng Baby Nitro ko. Like mother, like son. Yes, like father, like son na rin. Ayun. Thank you, lovely, for the lovely comment, Char. Alright, now next top fan, hanapin natin, bebe. Oh, ikaw yun. So, pogi ka daw, from Zara Louise. Sino ba? Ayan. Margie Balios. Hello, Adventure Fam. You're so cute, Baby Nitro. Stay safe and God bless. Maraming salamat po. And then, pangatlong shoutout na, oh, may baby dito. Evangeline Bagapuro Ortega. Ang cute naman. Kathy Anday, kaibigan ni Gladys Hampakan. Ay, umpakan pala, no? Ang una. So cute, Nitro, nakakagigil. Nakakagigil ka daw, bebe.
Nagbabasa.
Nagbabasa. Grace Marticio, kakagigil naman ang bebe. May malungkot. Ayan, the very best decision you have both made. For the meantime, it's for the best whole family, especially for Baby Nitro. From Ivy Sanchez. Maraming salamat po. And last na, let's do one more. Let's go. Joy Getalado. Cute Nitro, future YouTuber na din. Lagi nakatingin sa camera. Yes. Bebe, aren't you, Baby Nitro? Yes, you are. And you're a very good boy. He's a very good boy. He's very well behaved. Aren't you, Bebe? Mabait ka. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panunood sa video na to. At kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Duanta. Bye for now. Say bye, Bebe.
Elegance and freedom, everything to me. I wanna spend my